Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Right, those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. So now we'll move to the further. So previously, what was our topic? Come on. Anonymous functions. What is the use of anonymous functions? To perform instant operations. To perform instant operations. What is the meaning of instant operation? All those things discussed it, and some examples also done, and multiple examples done on that. And let us move to the further. One more example one more concept I want to introduce. In functions, there is a topic called what index of functions. Carefully follow. This part is done. Anonymous functions. Now I am coming to the last part of it. Special functions in Python. Very, very easy. Special functions in Python I am going to discuss. Okay. Very important, students, these functions. So here in Python programming, we have three types of special functions. Three types of special functions. Three types of special functions. Okay. They are, number one, we call it as filter. Filter function. Second one will go for map. Third one is reduce function will take. These are the special functions present in the Python. So we must understand what we mean by filter. So let us go to the first function called filter. So how this filter function works? Students, if we remember it, filter function at present, you can deal the same filter function operations by using comprehensive technique also you can use it. By using comprehensive technique also, you can use it to filter the data. But this is recommended to use it. There is no doubt in that. You can use comprehension technique also, but you can use filter also, but recommended to go for filter because it's a library related function. So how this filter function uses? First tell me, what is the filter meaning? What is the filter meaning? Try to answer it. Filter meaning. Don't know. Don't know. Filter తెలియదా? ఏ రాదు అసలు. Don't know anything. So, what is that? Ganesh Singh, to look nice. అదే to look nice. Palgudi Venu, filter the data. Okay. Anita saying, removing all the dust particles. Okay. Okay. To find specific values. Okay. Vanilla saying, removes unwanted things and gives required ones. Okay. Okay. Good. Maybe removing duplicates. Mohammed is saying. Ramesh is saying, unwanted data remove. Okay. Correct. So let it be, students. Now I'm taking. Look at students. Variable name is equal to filter of. So all students are saying, online students are saying, but offline students may not be knowing, I think so, filter. Yeah? Don't know. Huh? What is that? Talking. No. Talking by ourselves, no. You have to say freely. No. Say. No. Then. So now I'll go to function name. I'm going to write it. function name. I'm writing list of values. Iterable object I'm writing. Look at iterable object. Iterable object I'm going to say. So let me take an example, student. General example I'm going to take up. So coming to the point of it, now I'm going to take up one simple example I'm going to take up. Carefully try to follow. And it is not a big deal. It is so simple for you to students. Take a company. Company is something like a filter. A company, a company who is offering IT jobs is a company like a filter. I'm just giving some small analogy. Here interviewer, here interviewer. And next is called what? List of students. List of students. List of students. Company, interviewer, and then what? List of students. And returning selected students. Selected students. Start. How it works? Company, interviewer, list of students. How it works? The company is sending gathered list of students, sending the first student to whom? Interviewer. Interviewer will ask some questions. If he satisfies, he will return true. He will return true to the company. Then that company will kept under left side variable called selected students. Next, company will send the second student to the interviewer. Interviewer will say second student false. False means what? Waste. Waste. So not filtered. Third student also send true. Filtered. 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 Next student also saying true. Filtered. Filtered means kept under where? Selected students. Next also false. Not filtered, neglected. Again false, not filtered. Again false, not filtered. Again true, filtered. So here, come on, here, filter. Filter is a function which is continuously select all the each element of iterable object submitted to whom? Function. This function returns a Boolean result. The Boolean result is if it is returning true, the true value will be kept into where? Variable. True value means not true. That corresponding value will kept into true. Who will place? Filter. What is the first job of filter? Select the first element from iterable object, send it to whom? Function. In the function, will define the logic. That logic will return true. If it is true, it filter the element. Filter will take that element and kept into left side variable. Select the second element and send it to function name. Function name again returns true. Element will be filtered and take the third element. Third element. Third element is returning sending to function name. Function name returns what? False, not filtered, neglected. For third element, fourth element, fifth element. It is repeated. This process will be repeated until all elements of iterable object completed. What is the use of filter function? It will take out required elements by eliminating uninterested elements. Take it. One more example. Here I am writing purchaser. Purchaser. I already said this example for you. Purchaser. Who is this purchaser? Mango purchaser. Mango purchaser. What is happening? What is happening? A function is there. What is this now? List of mangoes. List of mangoes are there. And in you are a purchaser. In your brain, one program is there or not? What is that program? Good quality. Good quality. Good quality is called what? Decider is a function name. A list of mango. First mango submitted to good quality. If the good quality says true, put it in the bag. Put it in the mango bag. So mango bag. Put it in the mango bag. If the purchaser says what? If the good quality says false, that we will skip it and we'll go for the next element. This is continued until the number of mangoes you are interested to buy. Similarly, filter also. Are you able to understand? This mango bag and the selected students are called what? Filtered objects. This selected student, mango bag, are the objects of which type? Of which type? Objects. Of which class? Filter class. In Python, all variables are called what? Objects. Every object will have a class. That class name is called what here? Filter. I think you're following me. What is the filter? What filter will do? You are understanding. Let me show you a small example on filter. First, let me show you the concept. Then I'll move to that. Special functions I'm taking. Filter example I will show you. Try to read out carefully and start. Filter out. Filter function is used for filtering out some elements from list of elements by applying to the function. Variable name is equal to filter of function name comma iterable object. Here, variable name is an object of type of filter, and we can convert into any iterable object by using which function? Typecasting. But you don't worry, just up to here you remember. This typecasting I'll show in the class. Function name can be either normal function or anonymous function. Already you know, no? Normal function you know, anonymous function you know. Iterable object represents either sequence type, list type, set type, dictate type. The execution process of filter function is that each value of iterable object send to function name. First point that is. Second, if the function returns true, then element will be filtered. Filtered in the sense, put it into the left side variable. If the function returns false, then that element will be neglected. Neglected means not filtered. This process will be continued until all elements of iterable object are completed. This is called what process? Filtering process. Let us take an example and we'll go to the place. Now here, go to the place, PyCharm I will go. So I'm going to take it PyCharm and see these examples now. So let me close this entire things. Here I'm going to take up filter function example 1. So I'm taking here filter function example 1.py. Filter function example 1.py here. Let us move to the place. Here I'm writing. So there I'm writing main program once, main program. Here I'm writing. Take some list of students. Take some list more. 10, 20, and say some minus 30, say some 40, say 67, say 23, and say some 7, and 0, and 12. This is my given data. Now I want to get it what? I want to get it what? Positive elements. So program for program for obtaining which elements? Positive elements from list of values. How do I do this now? I can do this normally also like this PS list, which I already said in the class. How I said, students? Like this I said value for value in where? LST if value greater than what? 0. This part I was already explained to you. Explained or not explained? Explained. In the comprehensive technique only explained. In the comprehensive technique only explained. So PS list, I'll say something like this. Try to run students once. My dear student, can you switch off if you don't mind? So here, which values I got it? Main switch. Thank you. So now these are all called what values? Positive values. If I want negative values also, you will get negative values. Try to run this now. All negative values are coming. This is something like a filtering only. This is something like a filtering. Alternatively, when we come to data science and AI level and all, instead of writing our own program, let the internally library function is using. So the special advantage of using library functions is always keep in mind, though you are an intelligent in writing the code by yourself, better to use always what libraries, because that libraries are tested against to the performance. It gives time complexity less, space complexity less, time complexity less, space complexity less, because this was written by the scientists. So while they are developing, they used some type of high performance techniques only they used it. Always try to use the libraries. So this is one technique. Today I'm going to use it. The filter function I am using. Are you following me? Now go to that. Something KVR is equal to what I'm passing now, filter of. What is the syntax? What is the syntax here? Function name, comma, iterable object. Relax. What is this now? POS, positive, positive, comma, what here? LST. What is the positive here? Function name. What is the LST here? Iterable object. Okay. DEF. I need to define this function or not. A function name can be either normal function or anonymous function. Tell me now, what is my function name? Positive. There I am taking value. Value. Why I am taking value? As I already said to you, filter execution. Filter function first takes the first value of what? LST. Send it to whom? Positive. So PVM goes to where? Positive function. Takes what value? Madhubabu, first value of LST is what? 10. 10 sending to which function? Positive. What is the value of positive carried? 10. I need to write a condition here. Condition for what? True. Condition for false. Next what value will be sent? 20. Next minus 30, 40. Like that I am going on sending. Tell me, how do you write the logic? If, come on, value greater than 0. So what you will return? Return true. Filter function always takes true or false as a result. It returns true. Okay. Else I will write it what? Come on. Return false. That's all. You need to write every time when you are using any function inside, either you return true or you return what? False. Okay, guys. Now I got it. Filter positive, comma, LST. What is the KVR here? An object containing all the filtered elements. What is the type of that? I am writing type of KVR is equal to, what is this now? Type of KVR. Students, see, type of KVR is equal to type of KVR. As I said you, it is a filter type. Class filter. Class filter. Here I will write it. Here. Here. KVR is an object of what? Class filter. Class filter. Now I am taking in place of this, I will write a filter object so that you can remember. Any function returns an object to itself. Any function returns an object to itself. Filter function returns an object to itself is called factory function. Factory. Factory. Do you know factory? What is a factory? మీకు అర్థాలు రావు, మీనింగ్స్ రావు. What is a factory? Is a unit, is a production unit which will produce its own goods. Correct. So, Good Day Biscuit Packet Company, Good Day Biscuit Factory will return an object of what? Good Day Biscuit Packet biscuits only will produce. The Good Day Biscuit Packet function will return an object of the same company. Dell production unit will give you what? Dell products only, which is known as which functions? Factory functions. Spell out once. Right. Important. Important. Keep in mind. Now I'm going to use it. So I will write it filter object. So I'll take this now. Filter object. Here I'm writing filter object. Here I'm writing filter object. Try to run it. See this. It is a filter object. If I print the content, you cannot get it. So I'm writing content of filter object is equal to comma. I'm writing like this. What is an answer? Memory address only will come. It is not going to give you any data directly. So since it is not giving the result, here I am writing a simple sentence. When we display, when we display filter an object of filter, we are getting its memory address. Memory address. So to get the content, to get its content, to get the content of what? Filter object, filter object, we must typecast. We must typecast to any iterable object. We must typecast to any iterable object. Any iterable object. So better I will typecast to which object? During the filtering, I may get same type, different type, duplicates, uniques. So many things I'll get it. So better to get it into either a tuple or list. Do you know how to typecast? Come on, convert into what? PS list is equal to, PS list is equal to, come on, list of what object? Filter object. This is called a typecasting. Now you print. Come on, what is this now? List of which values is equal to comma what? PS list. PS list. Try to run this example. So you got it. Positive values. I will write it here in this case. Print of what I am writing. Given values. I'm writing. Here I am writing. LST I am writing it. I hope you are following this data. Are you following? Now this is about which function? Normal function I used it. This I will write it. Normal function. Suppose if I want any negative numbers to filter, what I will do negative numbers to filter ma? This is a filter object one, filter object one, filter object one, filter object one. One more I want. Here what? Come on. Filter obj, filter obj2 is equal to, come on, filter of negative, comma, negative, comma, LST, LST. So negative. So negative is a function or not? Do you know how to define negative? Come on, define d of negative of what value? Tell me. Come on. If value less than 0, return true. Else return false. Okay, good. ఇక్కడ చూసి చెప్పారు అది. By seeing here, you are saying like that. Intelligent, huh? No. So any intelligent solution, rather than writing 4 lines, any intelligent solution, any intelligent solution, return of, return of, that's very good. So Shamsuddin, MD Shamsuddin, good student. Now I'm writing return of, I'm writing true if value greater than 0, else false. ఉండాలి కొద్దిగా. Something must be there. Already you know this or not? Yes, we know. So this is negative. Negative means I need to write less than, less than. So this I wrote it. So I need not write even bracket also. Happily run. Rather than writing like this, just a seeing here, greater than is equal to less than, true, true, false, false, like that. So try to become smart in the subject. So now try to run. This is done. Convert into what type again? List. Ng list is equal to what I am taking? Tuple of. Convert it to tuple. No need to go for any like that. What is this now? What is this now? What is this? Filter object. Huh? Okay. Filter object 2. Filter object 2. Print what here? Print of which elements? List of negative values is equal to comma what? Ng list. Ng list. Happy. Run this. So you got it. Tuple like this. Which value not coming? 0. 0 I did not filter because I wrote it greater than 0 here, less than 0 here. See students, try to become smart enough in writing the coding. So continuous practicing will give you continuous spontaneous ideas. So understood? Huh? This is called what? Normal function definition I wrote it. The same example, I want to do it with a anonymous function I want to define. Online students, did you understand this part? Did you understand this example? Let us go to the filter example 2. Online students, 3 times I called. What are you doing? I don't know. Are you sleeping or what? Are you there? Now try to go to the next one I am going to say. So here I am going to say filter example 2.py. Try to carry this. Now I'm going to carry this entire thing. I'll try this one with what function? Anonymous function. Remove that and I'm writing it. Go to the place and positive as well as what? Negative. Directly I will go to this. Filter function example 2. Come on, start with. Positive is equal to, tell me first. Positive is equal to, come on. Okay, Manita, you are following. Good student. Next, lambda, lambda, hmm, LSTR, LSTR, tupula, lambda, మొదబోవలు, value, true, true, if value greater than 0, else what? False. How, what I said just now? What I said just now, filter function will send the first value to positive. First value to positive means this positive and first value coming. True in the case of this one, false in the case of this one. If it is true, element will be filtered. If it is false, element will be neglected. This is called what? Lambda function. Next, I'll go to what? Negative. Negative. And already you are gold medalist in that. So go to what now? Negative. I say value less than 0. Value less than 0. Are you able to follow? Done. Negative. So here, done. And moreover, some additionally I wrote it. Filter function returns an object of filter. Later I typecast it. Why to have that big story? Directly I will write it what? Directly I will write it. PS list is equal to what I will write it? List of. I'm writing directly what here? List of. So I'm taking it off. Are you following? Next is called what? Ng list is equal to directly I will write it what? Tuple of. What is the next? Filter of. This entire thing I will write it. Entire thing. No need to write this entire story. No need to write this entire story. Directly given values and positive values, negative values, everything perfect. Are you following this? What this function is known as? Anonymous function. Anonymous function does not contain, does not contain, does not contain. ఎందుక మీరు వేస్ట్ అసలు name does not contain name explicitly. Yesterday's class only I said. I don't have the patience to open it. Already said. Anonymous function does not contain the name explicitly. Already done. But these variables are using as what? These variables are using as what? Indirect names for calling it. So run this example. Got it. So got it, these values. But I want to read these values dynamically. Dynamically, how do you read it? See that print of enter list of values separated by space. Separated by space. Come on. Int of value for value in input of dot what? Split off. Split off. Split off. Done. Done. That's all. Execute. Super. So 10, 20, minus 34, minus 56, 11, minus 20, and 3, minus 4, 0, 5, minus 6. Got it? Positive values, and negative values. 0 will not be coming. Try to run it. -4, -4, -6, -9, 0, 0, and -2. Got it what? Positive values empty, negative values only coming. Next term, I'll go forward. 12, 34, 56, 7, 8, 9, 12, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4, 5. Got it? Only positive values. What is not coming? Negative values. Are you getting? See here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is coming? No positives, no negatives. Understood that? This is about which kind of function? Lambda function. Getting? Now, last and final improvement. Last and final improvement. I'm going to take up. These are all, if you practicing well, you will get it. 2.3.py. 3.py. Under this, I'm going to carry on this part. Here I'm going to take it 3.py. You see students directly positive. What is this positive? If you see the real-time coding, they won't define in one place. They won't call in one place. So here in the place of positive, what I can write it? I'll directly write what? Lambda function. Directly I will write it. Directly I will write it. So I'm going to remove. Directly I will write what? PS list code I will write. Come on now. My interest is to get what? List data. Filtering data. Filtering data to come in the form of list. List of. List of. List of. Muddubavulu. Filter of. Filter will take function name, comma, iterable object. Lambda value colon. What is my logic? Positive numbers. True if value greater than 0, else false, comma what? ls team. That's all. This is called my filter function takes what? Function name, anonymous function, iterable object, first value of filter function, first value of LST is sent to lambda function. True means it is filtered, false means it is neglected. Another value, true means filtered, false means neglected. This is repeated until all my elements will be continued. And I'm printing what? PS list. Similarly, I will go for what? Couple of filter of lambda, lambda, what I can call filter of, I'll say here lambda, I'll go to this filter of, I'm going to take a filter of lambda value true, true if value less than 0, else, else false, comma what? ls team, close it, happy, run this, what happens? Hmm? Space up. Okay, run this now, go to the place. Now here I'm writing 100 comma 200 comma minus 40 comma minus 50 comma 300 comma minus 60 comma minus 70 comma 600 500. Like this I got it. This is my given data. Positive values, negative values, I got it. Clear up? This is what we can call it is filtering. Are you following? Right. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept which will accept list of words, which will accept list of words, which will accept list of words and and obtain only obtain only palindrome words, obtain only palindrome words, obtain only palindrome words by using filter and anonymous function. Filter and anonymous function. Filter and anonymous function. Classwork or homework? If you tell quickly, I will do that. Otherwise, I will give homework. Classwork or homework? Huh? Homework? Classwork? Okay. So, girls, first row girls, homework or classwork? Homework. Okay. Girls, first row girls. Silent ఉండకూడదు మాట్లాడుతుండాలి. You should speak out. Always maintaining is very danger. You have to speak out. Classwork, homework? Homework. Okay. Second row girls. Okay. Boys, homework. I'm getting something different today. So, Maunika is saying, Bhumi is saying, okay. Anyhow, because some girls are asking and more people are asking that. Within 2 minutes, I will do that. Within 2 minutes, I will do. And then let us go to the place. Okay, those who are doing homework, I will ask the question in the class, how you do it. Now I want to take up some students. Boys, I will take. I'll select the boys who is going to do that. Program for obtaining list of palindromes, list of palindrome words from list of values, 4.py. So there I'm going to write it directly. Print, enter list of words separated by, come on, space. Okay, tell me, words is equal to, come on. So word for word in, come on, input of dot what, split off. So list of words are coming. I'll print given words is equal to comma, what I'm printing, words. Try to run it. Apple, next mango. So I'm writing here mango, and I'll write something like mom and dad, and I'll write here race car, and I'll write here, radar, and next is called what, little, madam, like this, and Python I will write it, and Java also I will write it. What is coming? These are all called what? List of values. From this I need to fetching what values? Palindrome words I want to print. Number of palindrome words or palindrome words I want to separate. How you can do this? That you are already aware of it. So tell me now. Define now. Get what? Palindrome list. Come on. PAL words is equal to మళ్ళీ homework అని చెప్పారు మీరంతా. You said homework. List of, so neither you will do or nor I will do means people will become problem. List of filter of lambda word colon word is equal to word of colon -1 -1 comma what, comma words. That's all. So filter function is taking what? Lambda comma words. First word will pass to whom? Lambda, because you are having already list of words. First word is passing. Whose original word is equal to reversed word is same. It returns what? True. But true is coming up, false is coming up. Word true is coming up, false is coming up. What is coming here? That is an important. I want to filter what is coming here. True is coming. But I need to return what? See students, printing. నాకు మీ మీద డౌట్ వచ్చింది అప్పుడే. You will write like that. Now look at, I'll run my code. So see this. What are the values are coming? True, true, true will come. See that now what is coming here? These values are coming here. These values are coming here. What this filter function is doing? Returning true, that particular value will be returned. That returning true, particular value will be returned. Is it not returning the values or not? That is present in where? Pal words. Now, I will print here. List of what? Printer. Come on. List of what? Palindrome words. List of palindrome words is equal to comma what? PAL words. So try to run it. Here I am writing. Enter the data. You are getting list of palindrome words. Are you getting, students? Like that you are getting. It's a very regularly asking question, students. Try to understand carefully. Are you able to follow? Right. Next, one more you write it. This logic I already said to you in the class. Right. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of words, which will accept list of words and obtain those words, obtain those words, obtain those words whose length, whose length ranges from, whose length ranges from, whose length ranges from 3 to 3 to 4, 3 to 4. 3 to 4 means 3-letter word I want, 4-letter word I want, 5-letter words no, 2-letter words no. I want only 3 and 4. So will you do it? Will you do it? This also one day I gave it as a homework for you. Will you do it or shall I do it? Not saying anything means silence is nothing but accepting that, do the classwork. Okay, students. Now coming to the point. 5.py. 5.py. So 5.py. Right. Go to the place. Null carry. Null carry. 5.py. Program for obtaining list of words whose length, whose length, whose length ranges from 3 or 4. 3 or 4 from list of words. From list of words. Okay. Come on. Now I'm going to take up, students. Filter a function example number 5. Okay. Come on, students. Accept. Come on. Words is equal to beginning I will write it. Print of what? Enter list of values separated by space or comma. This time I will go for comma. Okay. Tell me. Come on. For word in input of dot what? Split off. Are you buttifying the statement and saying or understanding and saying? First it will come to in this line, in where it will come to input. This will input. All the values will read. Next it is going to apply what? Split. It will prepare what? List. From the list, first value selected word. That word will kept into words. Like the second value from the list selected. This is called comprehension technique. There I will take up given words I will print. Given words I will print. Okay. Now I want to get what? Given words. Comma. Okay. That anyhow, you take it. Good. Now get the words. Get the words. Whose whose length lies within 3 and 4. Come on, start. Word 3, 4. Words 3, 4. 3, 4 is equal to Madhubavulu, come on, list of filter of lambda. And after saying few things, you will say starting problem, lambda. What is that now? Word, colon. What I will write here? I will write here called what? Words. Here I need to write what? The beautiful lambda function I will write it. Word. What should I write it now? ఎందుకా మీరు అసలు word less than or equal to 4. ఎందుకా మీరు అందా? So 3 less than or equal to word and then like this. And I will write len of. Len of I will write it. That's all. The first word is going to where? Word. Len of word is 5. 5. 5. 3 less than or equal to 5. That is 5 greater than or equal to 3. True. Less than 4. False. Not selected. 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. True. Less than or equal to 4. Also true. Selected. Filtered. Filtered kept here. 4. 3 less than or equal to 4. True. 4 less than or equal to 4 also true. That also filtered. 2. 3 less than or equal to 2. It is called false. False means that it never go to the next comparison. Shorthand and operation is applied internally. Okay. Come on now. What is this now? List of words with a length 3 or 4. 4. I'll print what here? Words like this. Done. Execute. So I will say Python, comma, Java, C, CPP, C++, comma, HTML, comma, JavaScript. One morning today, new batch, one student came. Java, JavaScript, both of them same is saying. Java, JavaScript, both of them saying. He is supposed to not to be there in this place. So Java, JavaScript, both of them same is saying. And by seeing that student, and nobody will think that he is saying that. Something different student. So like that students are coming these days. Maybe Corona batch this is. The people who are under 24 years over now. That batch is coming now. So of course it is not your mistake, it is a natural disaster problem. Because total online classes, what they are teaching online, these people are in offline or online, don't know, something is happening. Later I said Java, JavaScript, 6 differences I said. JavaScript used for client-side validation, developed by W3C organization. Java is developed by Microsoft for now Oracle Corporation for what? Enterprise application development. So I gave like that for that candidate. Now, and these days, along with the candidates, parents are also coming. Today, I've seen 2 parents. And today, I met them to sit here. And one funny event also taken place. And one parent today only came. One parent already there is some last Thursday onwards. I did not see them. Today I found it. Then today new parent and new child came. And parent and child are something aggressive. But today itself I want to get the job. More aggressive. So I just seeing that they are just more aggressive. And I look at their aggressiveness and I've seen it. Who is CSC? He raised a hand. Big hand he raised it. You know what is my next question? Can I ask one question? Parent said, ask sir, he's saying. Parent only saying, ask sir. I asked a question. Because he's little aggressive. Aggressive means what? I thought that maybe some knowledge is there. I asked one typical question. What is the use of HTTP? I said. Use of HTTP. You know HTTP? చూసారా మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా దాన్ని? Have you seen it in websites? HTTP will come or not? What is HTTP? Full form I am not asking. Use of HTTP. So he said, so use of HTTP. So full form is saying. Parent don't know that. What is the question I am asking? What is the answer he is seeing? He is seeing the sound of the question. He is seeing the sound of the answer. He don't know the integrity of the question and answer. Parent will see what? Question sound, answer sound. Wrong or right, you don't see. Like your academics, question paper, answer booklet. That only will see. When you are taking additionals, friends will think, "Ah, today is writing like anything." But if I correct the paper like you, this much of bundle will get this many marks. So finally, he seen, and when he answered, pro- hypertext answer protocol is said. When father faces 1000 volts bulb flourishing. Now I looked at the father. He said like that. Said, expressed his views. Correct. He looked at it. Like I said to father. Father also asked a question today. What is HYD? Hyderabad, he said. Hyderabad. Now I said to father. First I have to convince the father to give quoting to the child. HYD you said. I will tell the historical moments of Hyderabad. I'll tell the significance of Hyderabad in detail. Then if somebody asks what is HYD, if you say full form is better, significance of HYD is better. Significance. Then he himself said, he said, he said himself he introduced. He's a maths teacher, it seems. He's a maths teacher, it seems, in one school. 18 years experience he is having. He's teaching to 10th class student. He himself said, sir, yes, you are correct, sir. Significance I have to explain. I said only full form. I asked, what did your son explain? Only full form he explained, I said. Ah, yes, he explained full form. I asked the teacher, what he should explain? Significance he has to explain, he said. Then immediately 1000 volts power is reduced to 5 volts. And he understand the subject. Then immediately I asked a question. To teacher only I asked a question today. What is the next question? Is a math teacher. What was my question? Did you expect? Sin 90. Sin 90 I asked. He's teaching mathematics. Mathematics means what? Trigonometry is there in 10th class. Sin 90. Immediately said no, 1. 1. I executed in Java, Python, everywhere. What is the answer is coming? 0.89. You're looking at me like this. And in front of everybody, 18 years experience, he said 0.89. And he's dull, zero face reading. Then I said, nothing to worry. And he's asking how. Then I opened immediately. Actually, 0.89 is an exact value. Sine series, sine x series, sine x series, students. Sine x series, if you look at, Sin x series, if you look at, you see anywhere else you just go through it. Open in a new tab. See this now. Here you are having sin x series, you see x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power of 5 by 5 factorial minus x to the power of 7 by 7 factorial plus x to the power of 9 by 9 factorial minus x to the power of 11 by 11 factorial plus x to the power of 13 by 13 factorial to how many years? 99 years if we go on writing, still numbers are going on coming. But the sign of 90 in Python has taken almost 1000 words, they taken it. 1000 words, if they take it, it is going to give exact value. If we apply for 5 samples, it may give 1. But if I apply for 1000 samples, it will give exact value. Are you following? If I take a voter list, if I ask 10 people and if I take the majority, this is only the result of the 5 voter sample, the exact result will not come. If I survey for 1 lakh voters, then I'll give an exact result. So I explained this science series. He said, sir, are you mathematics? Earlier mathematics. Do you know mathematics? By knowing mathematics only, we'll come to computer science and actual field. So finally, he felt that, sir, can I learn Python? He is coming. Can I learn Python? So don't learn Python. Already you are comfortable in mathematics. Now you continue, I said. So now finally he spoke to me after the class. Sir, nowadays students knows only full form, sir, including my son also, sir, he is saying only full form. So significance, as you said, significance, practical knowledge is important. Like that type of parents, I like it because they need to know the problem of the every child. But how many child's parents can realize that rather than sound listening, sound response and sound? Because everybody may not be able to, some businessmen are there, business people will be there. They may not be knowing it correct. That's why parents, every parent is having a dream about you. You need to fulfill. That's why I'm saying this entire story says what? Read well. Okay, now. So I'm going to enter into the further. Now coming to the point back, online students, they are thinking very carefully. If I bring my parents, or will do something with us. That's why they are saying. Okay, students, come to the point back. Now run this. What is happening now? JavaScript. And now I will go for what? Little. I entered. Next I go for what next? Mom. Like this I entered. What are the values I got it? 3 to 4. Java, C++, HTML, mom. Other than that, we are getting, there are some more words which are length is more than that or not. This is related to what? Filtering the words whose length is like this. Are you getting? Fine. So online students, enter a number. Ranjit Kumar is asking some different questions. He will ask always different questions. I say go to left side of the road. You will say, sir, what happens if I come to right side of the road? No problem, my dear student. So I'm going to say Ranjit Kumar. Ranjit Kumar I'm taking. Ranjit space Kumar. I'll say. Good question. I already said now, myself only said. 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. And next is called 1, 2. And then Python you enter. Python you enter. What values will come? Because everything I'm taking in the form of string. So getting what? What is this now? This data is coming. Are you following me? Right. Now Ranjit Kumar will ask, sir, I don't want the numbers. I don't want numbers. I want an alphabets. What will do? I don't want numbers. I want only what? Alphabets. That time what we will do? Right. That's all. I will write it. Word dot what? Is alpha. Is alpha. And is alpha. And that's all. Are you following me? Let's run. Let's run. 1 minute. I will take this now. Let's run this example. I say this one. I say here C++. I say here KVR. Now got it. What is now KVR? C++ is also there, but I gave one space. But I gave one space because student is always looking for outputs only. See here how star is entering the data. Don't know. So I said like that. We got it what? Still it is going to give you C++. Why C++ is not coming? Plus plus. Plus plus is there. So go to that. Here I'll say CPP. I'll enter CPP. Got it. CPP also space. This is not correct. It is just this input is getting like this. Are you following that? Like that. Ranjit Kumar, happy? Huh? Ranjit Kumar, happy? Yes. So Anita is saying, by listening to this now, by listening to this now, I used to, I used to said only significance, not significant, not full forms for my students in school and also my child. Okay, Anita, good. So you are a teacher, huh? Anita, are you teacher? Anita, are you teacher? I don't, I don't ask any questions. Okay, good. Right. Now, from now onwards, I need to say, I should not call the name. Anita teacher, I will call from now onwards. Okay, teacher, thank you for your response. Because after knowing, we have to call like that. Okay, okay, right. Which subject teacher you are teaching? What is your subject? Okay, social studies. Good. Okay. Anyhow, open the notes. Right. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Look at students, all of you. See mark. Given line of text. Given line of text. Observe it. I am writing. Python is an OOP language. Just watch it, all of you. 3, 3, 7, 3, 6, 7, 9, and 6, and something like 3, like this, or something like 8. This is my given data. Now I'm writing extract, extract, extract. Now you can extract the digits. Extract the digits from line of text. Line of text. Write down. Write down as it is. Implement the following as said. Given line of text. Write down as it is. Extract the digits from the line of text. Expected output. Expected output is what you know. 3, 6, 6, 7, 9, and 8. 8. 3, 6, 7, 9, 8. 3, 6, 7, 9, 8. Will you do it? So easy or difficult? Come on. If you say homework means homework you do. If you say classwork, classwork I'll do. Huh? Homework? Online students respond much. మీరు కూడా చెప్పేసండి స్పీడ్ బికాజ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు గో టు నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు వీరన్న గౌడ్ క్లాస్ వర్క్ సార్ ఓకే క్లాస్ వర్క్ హోంవర్క్ క్లాస్ వర్క్ హోంవర్క్ క్లాస్ వర్క్ హోంవర్క్ హోంవర్క్ క్లాస్ వర్క్ ఓకే యూ పీపుల్ బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ వాట్ యుల్ సే మా క్లాస్ వర్క్ ఓకే ఓకే నో ఇష్యూ I'll take this data. Okay, students. So here another example I will go for it. Last and final I will take. So now I'll take it. Python 6.py. So 6.py. I'll carry this now. I'll carry this now. 6.py. Here obtaining Python program for obtaining list of digits. List of digits from from given line of alphanumerical values, correct? Alphanumerical values. Alphanumerical values. Okay. Line is equal to, tell me quickly, input of, tell me, enter a line of text. Enter line of text. Enter line of text. Enter line of text. Okay, that I got it. Take that example. I'll take like this. I'll enter like that. This is my input. Okay, guys. Next, I need to do what, students? I need to filter this data. I need to filter this data. Generally, how you do it? How do you do it, ma? I will take it line. What is the line type? What is the type of line? STR. What is the value of CH? Huh? What is the value of CH now? P. ఇది చదివితే కదా ఎప్పుడన్నా. C. I already explained in where while loop, for loop. Already explained for CH in yes. So many things explained. Print of what now? CH I am saying. Chadukondi. Read well. Now see this now. Try to run this data. Enter this data. See that all the letters are printing. First of all, you don't have the knowledge of how to get the letters. If you know this, this is dead easy for you. Here what I am doing, I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. What I am doing, you see, CH. See how smart code I'll write it. CH. Listen. CH. I am writing. I am writing CH. If CH dot is digit of. CH dot is digit of. CH dot is digit of. Else, I am not going to print anything. I am not going to print anything. I am not going to print anything. That is nothing but if you want, I'll just say invalid. Just a message I am saying. Try to run this now. So I'm getting here this data. See that what is coming? What is coming? 3 is coming. 6 is coming. Invalid is coming. 7 and 9 and everything is coming. Are you able to follow? So simply what I do is I will write it simply. This answer I am writing. This answer I am writing. Print off what I am saying, students. CH. I am just writing like that. Enter the data. I got what? Simple. This part I want to do with what? Filtering. Filtering I want to do it. Come on. What is this now? Digits. DIGS. Digits is equal to DIGS is equal to DIGS is equal to starting problem. List of ఇక్కడ నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఫిల్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఇదైతే బాగా చెప్తారు ఇది. లాంబ్డా CH colon CH dot is all is digit. Is what? Digit. Is digit. Comma what? Line. That's all. The filter function takes the first value of line and sending to CH. That is the P is digit false, not filtered. Next value called what? 3 is digit. Yes, the 3 will be kept into where? DIGs. Why TH false? 6 true. Like that, everything will be taken it. Now I'm going to print what? Come on. Given digits or digits found. Digits found. Digits found is equal to, I'm going to write it what you know, DIGS. Try to run this now. See students, got it. These are the digits we got it. Are you following me? That's all. Now if I want to print the digits separated by comma. How do you do that? I want to print a comma. This output you see it is printed in the form of list like this. I want to print a 3 comma 6 comma like that I want to print. How do you print it? Huh? Impossible to say the answer from you. Impossible. Directly impossible. ఎందుకా మీరు అసలు? So go to the place. Now I'm going to say what I'm going to say, comma. I'm writing join of what? DIGS. Join of DIGS. See that? Enter that. Now I got it like this. ఎందుకా మీరు అసలు? So done. Got it. Perfect. Enter this. Now I'm saying HYD 7 is the capital of years. I say 9. I say 6. I say I say 8. I say now 2. I say 1. Now, like this. For everything, solution should come spontaneously. Intelligent ఉండాలి ఎప్పుడు కూడా. To become an intelligent, what to do? Need not to use by birth you are not intelligent, I am not intelligent. All of you have same brain only. But you need to have to work hard. So, anyhow, you are printing the digits. Come, already join function over or not? You know join function, but how to use it, that is an important. Correct? Yes. Online students, now done with. So Kodeshwara is saying end with delimiter. Wrong answer. So good. Lot of students end with delimiter only. End with delimiter, no, nothing is a wrong answer. This is an answer. Already join function explained for you. How to get these ideas? And don't tell sir you are experienced, that's why coming. Not like that. When you read well, you'll get these thoughts automatically. Okay, now, right. Let us go to next. Can I give one small homework for you? Yeah. Open that. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Developalli Kaushal. Sir, I appended in the list and then returned it. No need to do that, Kaushal, because I am getting directly in this. Directly I am doing that. Why to go for list? Don't take. Okay, you are getting an answer, but use smart things. Less time, more powerful things, everything. Okay, which will implement the following. Look at now. Python hash. Sixth place I am using exclamation. I am using here I am using star. I am using here called what? At the rate. Now I am using here called what? Something like and. Here I am using at the cap symbol. Extract the special symbols. Write down. Next line. Extract the special symbol. Special symbols from list of line. From list line of text. Hash. Exclamation. Comma. What is the next? Bitwise exclusive or operator. Star symbol. Star symbol. At the rate symbol. And then ampersand symbol. Okay. Those values you need to get it. Those values you need to get it, students. What do you say? What is a special symbol? First, you define what is a special symbol. A special symbol is not a digit. A special symbol is not an alpha. That's all. A special symbol is not a space. Special space also I don't want to take. Space is also a special symbol, though I don't want to take. Now I want to. How do you write it? Not is a dot. Or I will take under not you apply. Not you have to apply. Giving hint also. 90% hint I am giving. And a filter, lambda. That also want to say I have to write the code. Will you do it? Yes, do it. So this is about significance of what? Filter function. Did you understand filter function? Yes. Online students, filter function completed. Now I want to introduce map function also for you. Map function. Let me go to the map function here. Special functions. Inside of that, I'll save it. That is done. Map function I am going to introduce. Let me go to the map function. How simple it is. Look at. See students, I'm having my data. LST is equal to, or I will take old salaries is equal to, old salary list is equal to 100 rupees, comma, 150 rupees, comma, 200, comma, 300, comma, 400, comma, 500 rupees. This is the list of values. Here I will take it. Here I will take it. Take it as something like a 600 you take it. For your calculation, it is easy. This is called a list of salaries. The company has decided, decided, decided to give 50% hike, 50% hike to every employee, to every employee, to every employee. What did you understand, students? This is a old iterable object, old iterable object. 50% hike want to give to every employee. What is an expected result, student? New salary list is equal to 50%. 100 rupees plus 50% means 150. 100 plus 50% hike means 50 rupees. 600 becoming 900. 200, 300. 300, right? 400, 500, 750. So what it is called? Is it a filter? No. We are modifying every value of old elements of old iterable element, getting the new iterable object with the modifications. Every value of old iterable object is modified to what? New iterable object is coming. That is called a mapping. What is that? Mapping. What is the mean? What is the use of map? Map function is used for obtaining a new iterable object from old iterable object by applying that old values of iterable object to which function? Map function. Sir, what is the syntax, sir? Okay, let it be. This is my expected output. Now coming to this easy map of. What is the filter function example? Syntax variable name is equal to same. Easy. Map of filter of. What is that? Filter of. What is this now? Function name, comma what? Iterable object. Iterable object. Similarly, today, in place of that, this function returns either true or, in which case, now today I'm using what? Map. Same. What is my iterable object? Old salary. What is my function name? Giving how much hike? 50%. Come on, example, Kalpana. What is this map function is doing? Each value of iterable object sending to whom? That function will modify the result according to the logic you have written, keeping the modified result in where? Beautiful. Next, second value of iterable object sending to whom? Modified, kept into where? Left side variable. Left side variable is what? Map object. Earlier one is filter object. Now it is which object? I'll convert into what? List, set, tuple, whatever you like it. That's all. Come on now. What is this now? New salary or map obj is equal to, come on, map of, come on, what is, I will write it. Hike. Hike is my function. And next is called what? Old sal. Old sal. Okay. What is this old sal? Hike is what, students? I will go to, tell me, DA hike of. What is this now? Sal. Map function send the first value of old sal to whom? Hike. Hike. What is the value of sal now? 150. 100? 100. 100. 100 is sending to this. What I will do? Return. Come on. Sal plus sal into 50 by 100. 50 by 100. That's all. Sal 100 plus 100 into 50 by 100. 100 get cancelled. 100 plus 50, 150 returned into left side. Second value called 600. 600 positive hike. 600. 600 plus 600 into 50 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 600. 6 into 50 is called 300. 600 plus 300 is called 900. 900 written here. It is continuous until all elements are over. Easy or difficult? Easy. Dead easy. So, map function. Are you able to follow? That map function I am converting into what type? List. See that map function, I will open it. Come on, read out. Don't take much time. Start. Map is used for obtaining new iterable object from existing iterable object by applying old iterable elements to the function. In other words, map function is used for obtaining new list of elements from existing list of elements by applying old list of elements to the function. Syntax. Variable name is equal to map of function name iterable object. Here variable name is an object of class map and we can convert into any iterable object using typecasting functions. Function name represents either normal function or anonymous function. How can I write by using anonymous function here? Map object is equal to map obj is equal to map of, come on, తెలుసు కదా మీకు, lambda sal is equal to sal plus sal into 50 by 100. 50 by 100, comma, what is this now? Old sal. Old sal. How simple it is. Done. Done. It is done. Every value of old salary will go to sal. Doing the operation, keep the result into map object. Did easy. Go to the place. Here. Where is it? Here I am going to take it. Come on. Iterable object represents any of these type. The execution process of map is that map sends every element of iterable object to the specified function, comma, process it and returns the modified value, that is the result, to the new list of elements will be obtained. This process will be repeated, continued until all elements of iterable object completed. Understood? Right? Go to that. This is about concept. Go to the next example. I will show you, students. Go to this place. Map related example. Map 1. And under map, varieties of flavors of map I will tell you. Maps, multiple, map with two lists, map with multiple list I will tell you. Map function example1.py. Map function example1.py. So here I'll take that simple example. First I will bring it. This data I will get it. Here I am getting. This is the one I am getting. Main program, this is main program. There I will take it. What is this now? Map obj. MAP obj is equal to map of what? Old sal. Old sal. Map of old sal. This old sal is coming here. Now I will write what here? Hike, comma, function name, comma. Hike I need to define or not? Hike of, what is this now? Sal. I'll say what now? Return sal plus sal into 50 by 100. 50 by 100. Done. Now it is going to be map object. Print, for your understanding. Type of what? MAP obj is equal to what? Type of MAP obj. Look at, you are getting map. Here this is a map. Here I'll write it. Here MAP. Here MAP obj. So here I will print it. Why to take a risk of it? I'll just write it. This answer. Typecast. Come on. Content also cannot print, student. It is a memory related thing will print. See that it is going to print memory address. So we don't want that. Convert into what? Typecast to which type? Typecast map object into, come on, list object, tuple object, whatever it is. Don't convert into dictionary. Dictionary is requiring what? Key value. Not, don't try to get it. Come on, do that. What is this? New cell is equal to list of map obj. Map obj. Print what? Given old salary list. Old salary list. Okay, is equal to comma what? OLD cell. Okay, next. Print of what? New salary list. New salary list. What is the new salary list, students? Huh? New cell. Try to run it. Here I am going to get it. Are you following me? So 100, like this we got it. Are you following me? This is called what? Which function it is? Normal function. Same thing, if I go to my example, with what function also you can define? Anonymous. You can go to anonymous function also. 2 dot, 2 dot. Carry this direct. Direct I will go to it. 2 dot py. Don't write this entire thing. Don't write this entire thing. Done. Go to this place. I'll define directly. Come on. Lambda sal is equal to sal into 1.50. If I write, will you understand? Sal into 1.50. Old sal. Map lambda sal into sal colon. Sal colon. Did you understand? Did you understand? No, మొక్కుమాటం ఏం లేదు, sir. Not understanding. Explain. Understood or not? Huh? Yes or no? You also understood? Okay. నేనేమన్నాను అసలు? If you don't know, I'm the first person to tell you. Okay. By seeing your face, I can understand. This says, actually we write what? Sal plus sal into 50 by 100 means what? 0.5. 0.5. I'll write 0.5. Kada? 0.5. Mathematics, you know already. Sal common 1 plus 0.5. 0.5. What is the sal? Sal into what? 1.5. 1.5. That is the meaning. Understood? Adi. So coming to the point of it. Now I will write it. Run this example. So go to this place. Got the same answer. Are you following that? Done. So this is about map related. If you want, you can read the values dynamically. Can you read the values dynamically? So read dynamically and all, you know now. So take it. Tomorrow class, when I come back, I'll still continue map examples. Multiple maps. Map 1, map 2, map 3. Multiple maps with filling left side values, right side values, filling the values. For next class, when I come back, still next half an hour more, I will explain examples on map only. Then after that, I'll go for what? Reduce. After reduce is over, filter, map, reduce. Combined examples, I'll tell you. Combined examples. Again, like default arguments, positional arguments. Did you remember all of them? Remember? Doubtful. Final syntax of the function you are remembering? Okay, good. So just few days back over. After 1 month, I will ask you. After 1 month, I will ask you. That time, you will not move that much speed of your head. So you will have some problem. Read the notes daily, students. I'll stop my class, and tomorrow class, I'll continue the map examples. Thank you. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Online students, you hold on. I'll connect to you within few seconds. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, am I audible to you students? Any doubts students? Kaushal,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Kaushal, tell me.
Sir, I am a student in of 3-2, third year, second sem, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now in our college, their placement drive is going on.
Okay.
So, is it better to attempt the companies, or shall I continue this, and after September shall I attend, sir?
Attend, complete the course. Complete the course. Complete because you may come across this type of things to you,
Sir,
right?
yes, sir.
That time.
Basically, our college is calling Java companies are coming, sir.
Mm. That's
So,
what
I am
it is your chance to decide whether you are continue or it is your decision.
okay. Sir, means I'm in 3-2 now.
Mm.
So by 4-1, if I am a little bit perfect in it, can I will get chance now, sir,
Which chance?
for replacement. I'm
Why you will
thinking
not?
that after August or September, by
Mm.
the completion of this course, I'll be going.
Mm.
Will
Yes,
that be
by
perfect?
August it will be completing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, ma'am. Okay, students, take care. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very important.